Hello, welcome to a new video tutorial. My name is Juan D'Amico, and in my channel I submit videos about applied time series analysis, forecasting, and macroeconometrics. So if those are topics that you're interested in, please feel free to subscribe to my channel. Today I'm going to talk about web scraping. In particular, I'm going to suggest a very easy method for you to be able to download data from different websites. To give you some background information, as you guys know, datasets is one of the most critical aspects of any research project. Macroeconomic datasets for countries like USA, Canada, or other OECD members may be easier to obtain. But now, when we are trying to get data for other countries, things can get more challenging. Also, what can happen is that the data may not necessarily be macroeconomic aggregates. Any other type of data besides macroeconomic aggregates can be difficult to find. This is when web scrapers come in. Often websites offer various data sets, but they may not be available for download, sometimes even if you're willing to pay for the data. This is where web scrapers come in. A web scraper is a program or a script that is going to send a request to a website, download the HTML content, and will parse the content. For example, stock prices, sales data, products information, you name it. This is usually done with Python using libraries such as Request, Beautiful Soup, or Selenium. But these things can be very difficult, especially if you are new into programming or using Python. But you don't need to worry about all this. I'm going to provide you right now an extension that you're going to use in your Google Chrome, and it's going to help you download the data that is in the website. Here I have a website. In this particular case is the Central Bank of Argentina. I have a variable, I have a data set that it's about the international reserves of the bank. So as you can see, the data set is quite long, it's quite extended, but I have no option to download this data. So what we're going to do then is we're going to get this extension and we're going to download the dataset. In Google search, you're going to go for Instant Data Scraper. You should get to this link. I'm going to provide you the link in the description of the video, but all you have to do is you need to add this to Chrome. It's an extension, it's a Chrome extension. We're going to add the extension. And now the extension has been added. The next thing I would like to do is to pin the extension in my tools. So I'm gonna go here and pin this extension. So now we have it available here in my bar. We're back in the website. Now all we have to do is to click. You can see that it has identified the data that it needs to extract. I'm gonna click on this thing again, and here we go. It gives you the options to download as comma separated values or an Excel extension. You can select the option that works the best for you. For example, let's go with this option. And here we are in Excel and we have the data set that we just downloaded. That's going to be all the content for today. I hope that you found this video useful. And if so, please feel free to subscribe to my channel, give it a like, and share the content with your friends. Thank you very much for watching, and I hope to see you in the next tutorial.